Hello and welcome to Sudha's Apparel Patterns. In this video, I will be showing how to convert an oversized kurti to fit a kid's size. To begin with, using a stitch ripper, rip both side seams, shoulder seams and armholes to separate both sleeves from front and back as shown. Then use any fitted t-shirt of the child for measurement reference. The t-shirt I have used has shoulder as 7 cm, back neck as 3, front neck as 8, half armhole as 18, half chest as 38, half waist as 36 and half hip as 40 cm. To match the front neck depth of both kurti and t-shirt, I have placed the front and back pieces of kurti shoulder 1 inch up from the t-shirt shoulder as shown. My kurti length was 74 cm. If your kurti is longer, then measure the child from shoulder to knee or as per your length requirement. Based on the t-shirt measurements taken, mark the shoulder armhole and side seams. Extend side seam marking till hem by giving an A-line shaping. Keeping a seam allowance of 1 inch at shoulder, armhole and side seam, cut the excess fabric. After marking and trimming the excess fabric, do plain shoulder seams joining front and back. To attach both sleeves, flat open front and back pieces and keep shoulder seam towards back piece as shown. My kurti front neck has a slit in center which is not too deep, so I will be keeping it as is. Half armhole of sleeve is 24 cm. So keeping seam allowance of 1 inch, I will trim the excess. Then I have attached both sleeves to front and back with plain seam by matching the shoulder seam to the sleeve center fold. Then to mark the side seam of sleeve, keep t-shirt as shown and then keep seam allowance of 1 inch and trim excess. You can also check if the kurti shoulder is same as the t-shirt shoulder. Match and hold front and back armhole using a pin and also align the side seam of garment till hem. I have done the side seam of sleeves and remaining garment till the hip measurement. And then the remaining slit will be finished by double folding the fabric 1 inch on both sides. This is how I have folded the slit and I will be stitching on the outer fold. This is how I have finished the slit stitching. This is the trimmed remaining fabric after altering the kurti. Kurti is now ready to wear. As you can see, I have kept a slight ease on both sides of the kurti. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Sudha's Apparel Patterns. Until next time, happy sewing.